A very pleasant morning to all my dear little children. Welcome back to English Online class at Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you all doing, children? I hope you all are doing great and staying safe at home. Yes? Okay, children. Let's start our today's session. Today, let's discuss a poem, a prayer composed by Rabindranath Tagore.
Now let's discuss the question answers of this poem, A Prayer. In the poem A Prayer, which country does the poet mention, children? The poet talks about India. What does he pray for his country? What does he pray for India? The poet wants the people of India to be united in their lives and hearts. The poet prays for a country in which every house, every market, every field is full and there is plenty for everyone. He prays for all the dreams and hopes of the people to come true and for the words and the actions of the people to be honest. He wants the Indians to be sincere to their fellow beings. He wishes for all the sons and the daughters of the country to show unity and live in peace. The very first question, for whom is the poet praying in the poem? Answer, the poet is praying for his country and its people. That means the poet is praying for his own country, that is India. Now let's move on to the second question. They have given you some lines from the poem, that is, let the earth and water, the air and fruits of my country be sweet, my God. What does the poet pray for in this stanza? Answer, the poet is praying for the earth, water, air and fruits of his country to be sweet. Now the second part of the second question. What do you think it means when the air of a place is sweet? What does he mean by the word sweet air? By sweet air, the poet means that there should be love and harmony among people of its country, for each other and for everyone else. That is, he wishes that all Indians should love each other and they should live in harmony and peace. Means they should live peacefully. Harmony means they should live peacefully and they should agree with each other's feelings, with each other's emotions, ideas or actions. They should be together. That's what he meant by people should live in harmony and peace. Now let's move on to the third question. In the third question, they have given you some lines. Let the promises and hopes, the words and deeds of my country be true, my God. What does the poet wish for in this stanza? The poet wishes for the dreams and the hopes of his countrymen and women to come true. I have already told you in the previous class that Rabindranath Tagore, a poet, had written this poem, A Prayer, in the backdrop of British rule. So the only dream and the only hope of his countrymen at this period is to attain independence, to get freedom from the British rule. So he wished that, or he prays for his countrymen that let all their dreams come true. Let God fulfill their dreams. Now let's move on to the second part of this question. The word true has two meanings here. What are they? The word true here means two things. The first one, the poet wants the dreams and the hopes of his people, of his country to come true. Okay? Means they should be able to fulfill their dreams. At the same time, he also wants the deeds and the words of the people of his country to be honest. So he wants the people of his country to fulfill their dreams. At the same time, he also wants the people of country to be sincere and honest in their words and deeds, means in their actions. Now let's move on to the last question, that is, how can the lives and the hearts of the people be one? Answer, the lives and the hearts of the people can be one if they all show unity and live in peace and harmony. The poet says that only if the people think alike, only if the Indians think in the same way. Only if they stand together can they reach a common goal. Only then they can achieve their goals. If their heart is not one, the country will not get what it wants. So, all Indians should stand together and fight for the common goal. Only they can achieve it. So, he says that he knows that India has different states, therefore, it has different cultures, different traditions. Still, the people should stand united. Only then they can attain their goals, they can achieve their goals, they can fulfill their dreams. Only then their dreams will come true. So children, I hope you understood the question answers. So do download the notes that are attached, do attempt the test.
So children, it's time to wind up our session. See you in the next class.